It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl, get at it, get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree, go girl, focus on me. Unlock potential that you didn't know you had in you. Fuck that nigga, hey.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Diamond Lifestyle. Y'all, let me tell y'all. So, I know it look like I got a condom on my hair, but so wait. Nah, but y'all, so I'm trying out this new Wonder Lace Bun Extreme Firm Hold Active Fuse. If y'all have used this, please leave down in the comment or please give this video a big like. This stuff right here, yeah, this stuff really works. If y'all use this here, y'all let me know. It's for laces, for lace wigs. So I use this. This is my first time trying it. You guys, it's at your local beauty supply house. And it's $6.99. So I had to try out something new because I want to see, because I get tired of using the Got2b glue stuff that go around your edges, because even though I don't put nothing on my edges, it's the principle that I still don't like it or whatever. It still takes out a little bit of hers when I pull off my lace, and I don't want that. And then before I had put my little condom on my head or whatever, I did purchase this. This is new, and it's the Got2b Volo Magnet Bodified Mousse. And they say it works really good. I'm trying to tell y'all, I only left the blow dryer on my head for literally 3 minutes. And my hair was dry. Hold on. This stuff was hard. I'm talking about, and it smells so good. So this was $6.99. Also, yeah, this is what this is. So if y'all have used these, make sure y'all list down in the comment and tell me what y'all thinking. What was y'all experience? My experience, this is my first experience, and this stuff dried up quickly. And now I'm gonna get the cut in or whatever, so I can go ahead and apply my lace. Yes, and basically that's gonna be it of this video. I gotta get ready for work, so it's a new year, y'all. Happy New Year's, new vibes, new positivity, new growth, health, wealth, all that, y'all. I'm talking about we gonna grow, we gonna be positive, we changing it for the new year, you feel me? We gonna stay elegant, whatever, we gonna be some grown-ass women, you feel me? Okay. But yeah, you guys, so stay tuned. I'm just basically applying my lace front and showing y'all these 2 new products, and that's basically about it. I love you guys. Please, I'm on a road to 500 subscribers. Please make sure y'all subscribe to this channel and go follow my Instagram right here. I'm on Instagram Live because somebody tried to hack my page. Yeah. But they say I should be off Instagram Lock tomorrow. Today is the 2nd, January the 2nd. It say I should be off Instagram Lock tomorrow on the 3rd. It's sad. I'm just like, what I do? I didn't do nothing. Oh, it's some haters. Okay, stay positive. Anyways, I'm gonna be out of Instagram jail. Don't forget to go follow that page listed right here. Yeah. All right, there. Okay, yeah. And I will be back.
Ooh.